Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Analyst at GDMFX with the Morning Outlook. Starting with Japan, what we saw yesterday is that the yen slightly reversed losses against the greenback, the USD, after Prime Minister Shinzo Abe appointed Shiozaki to head the ministry in charge of revamping the National Pension Fund. As technical indicators signaling recent declines were too rapid. Now the USD versus the JPY is holding at overbought conditions at 104.97 after appreciating to 105.31. Now the highest level that was since January 10. As I mentioned, the 14-day relative strength index for dollar yen was at 77, holding from a 4-day above the 70 level. That signals to the traders the pair has risen too far too fast and may be due to reversal course. Keep an eye on this currency pair. We might see some reversals short term to the downside. The US dollar traded near the strongest in almost a year against the euro on bets that US growth will spur the Federal Reserve to increase interest rates sooner rather than later. Sooner than the traders are anticipating. The US currency held gains from yesterday, most of its 16 major counterparts before reports this week that economists said will show factory orders increased and employers boosted hiring. Now, going slightly to Britain, the British pound fell yesterday to the lowest level since February at $1.6440 per pound on yesterday's positive numbers from US. Expecting the Bank of England's interest rate decision and asset purchase program that's due to tomorrow. Now, European stocks this morning as investors speculated that the Euro's region central bank will increase stimulus measures at the meeting this week. As for your information, the press conference will be held tomorrow at 12:30 GMT. Also, 45 minutes before that, at 11:45, it's the interest rate decision on ECB. Taking a glance at the commodity sector, gold tumbled to the lowest level since June as U.S. manufacturing in August expanded at the fastest pace in 3 years. Bolstering, of course, prospect for the economy and damping demand for the metal. Prices dropped to $12.6260 per troy ounce yesterday at the lowest since June 17, as U.S. manufacturing output climbed to the highest since March 2011, spurring gains in the dollar. However, we're expecting further declines as data on September 5 may show that U.S. payrolls climbed by more than 200,000 in August for a 7th straight month. West Texas Intermediate, on the other hand, climbed slightly from the lowest price in more than 7 months before U.S. Supply data tomorrow that may show the strength of fuel demand in the world's biggest oil consumer. However, in yesterday's trading, what we saw is price fell with $3.8 to 92.88 in yesterday's session. As I mentioned, the lowest close since January 14 on profit taking. Keep an eye on the economic calendar. From here till the rest of the week, the fundamentals will cause high volatility on the market. For all investors and traders, keep a close eye on the economic calendar. That's all from me from today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.